Brace yourself, FBI fans. Season 8 has kicked off with a shocking twist that nobody saw coming. The long-running CBS crime drama opened its 8th season with a heart-stopping premiere, and it's already clear this chapter is going to be intense. In the episode titled Takeover, viewers were hit with the tragic death of a key team member, Dani Rhodes, played by Emily Alabi. Dani had quickly become a fan favorite after joining the team in Season 7, forming an unforgettable partnership with Scola. But in a harrowing turn of events, she sacrifices herself during a dangerous mission to save a kidnapped judge's son. Her heroic death leaves the team and the audience reeling, establishing a dramatic and somber tone for the rest of the season. The episode starts immediately after the explosive Season 7 finale, with Maggie and OA stranded on Port Turner Island amid a violent civilian militia. As tension rises, Scola and Dani rush in to provide backup, only to face an ambush while docking near the island. Dani initially thinks her bulletproof vest has saved her when she's struck by a bullet, but the danger is far from over. After the team regains control of the situation, she suddenly collapses due to a hidden abdominal wound that wasn't immediately obvious. Scola's desperate attempt to save her comes moments too late, leaving viewers in shock as her body is carried away on a stretcher. The juxtaposition of her death with Isabel Castile's recovery in the hospital makes the scene even more emotional, highlighting the highs and lows the team faces in the field. Emily Alabi's exit from the series isn't just a storyline twist, it marks a major change in the team's dynamic. Dani Rhodes had become Scola's most compatible field partner since Tiffany's departure, quickly earning the audience's affection. CBS decided to give the character a decisive, heroic death rather than writing her out off-screen, making her sacrifice feel meaningful and emotionally impactful. This choice emphasizes the real dangers the FBI team faces during high-stakes operations and adds a layer of gravitas to Season 8. Fans are already mourning her loss, while praising the writers for giving Dani a memorable send-off, showing that even newer characters can leave a lasting mark when handled thoughtfully. Her death sets the stage for the season's emotional arcs and dramatic storylines. With Dani Rhodes gone, the series is also introducing fresh faces to fill the void. Juliana Aiden Martinez joins the cast as a new character who will partner with Scola moving forward. While CBS hasn't revealed the full scope of her role yet, it's clear that she's being positioned as the next key partner in the field, following the legacies of both Tiffany and Dani. Her arrival brings both uncertainty and excitement, as viewers are eager to see how her character will mesh with the established team. This kind of transition is always tricky for long-running shows, but FBI has a history of smoothly integrating new characters, and fans are already speculating on what skills, backstory, and personality traits Martinez's character will bring to the mix. The premiere doesn't just focus on character changes, it also signals big shifts for CBS's lineup. FBI remains the anchor of Monday night programming, but the network recently canceled FBI International and FBI Most Wanted to make room for an upcoming spin-off titled CIA, which is set to debut mid-season. This move shows CBS doubling down on the flagship series, while streamlining its crime drama offerings. By focusing on the core team, the network can explore deeper character arcs, more intense field missions, and higher-stakes storylines. Dani Rhodes' death, paired with the introduction of a new partner, adds narrative momentum that will keep fans glued to their screens, eager to see how the team adapts to both personal loss and professional challenges in this new chapter. The impact of Dani's death extends beyond the mission itself. It reshapes relationships within the team. Scola, who had formed a close bond with Dani, now faces the emotional weight of losing a trusted partner in the field. This creates opportunities for deeper character exploration, showing how agents cope with grief while maintaining their focus on high-stakes operations. Maggie, OA, Jubal, and the rest of the team must also adjust, balancing their own emotions with the relentless demands of FBI work. For viewers, this combination of action, suspense, and heartfelt drama makes the season premiere a standout episode. It's a reminder that in the world of FBI, every mission carries real consequences, and no one is ever truly safe. Even beloved characters like Dani Rhodes. Dani's departure also raises the stakes for storytelling in Season 8. By removing a key team member so early, the writers immediately signal that this season won't shy away from risk or emotional intensity. Fans are already speculating on upcoming plotlines, wondering how the team will handle future high-pressure operations without Dani's expertise. The loss also creates room for tension and conflict, as new characters like Juliana Aiden Martinez step in and navigate their roles alongside Scola and the rest of the team. CBS has managed to keep the series fresh for 8 seasons by balancing procedural action with character-driven drama. And this premiere proves they are willing to make bold choices that challenge both the team and the audience emotionally. As the season unfolds, viewers can expect a mix of heart-pounding action and emotional depth. Dani Rhodes' heroic death sets a somber tone, reminding everyone that FBI agents face real dangers every day. At the same time, the introduction of Juliana Aiden Martinez promises fresh dynamics, new partnerships, and unexpected twists that will keep the audience engaged. CBS's decision to anchor the series on Monday nights, paired with the cancellation of spin-offs and the upcoming CIA show, emphasizes that FBI remains the network's flagship crime drama. Season 8 is shaping up to be a turning point for the franchise, combining high-stakes missions, personal loss, and evolving team relationships. For fans, it's a season of suspense, shock, and heartfelt storytelling that will leave a lasting impact. Beyond the immediate shock of Dani Rhodes' death, Season 8 opens the door for new storylines and fresh challenges for the FBI team. With Juliana Aiden Martinez stepping in as Scola's new partner, the dynamic will inevitably shift, creating opportunities for tension, growth, and unexpected alliances. Meanwhile, the team must continue navigating dangerous missions, from hostage rescues to high-stakes investigations, all while coping with the emotional weight of losing a teammate. This combination of procedural action and personal drama is what has kept the series compelling for 8 seasons, and the premiere proves that the writers aren't afraid to push boundaries. Fans can expect suspense, surprises, and emotional storytelling that will resonate long after each episode ends.